What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James Z. Today we're gonna go over another catalyst to propel NIO to the moon, man. Yeah, man, NIO's starting to heat up, man. Third green day in a row, and then new catalyst coming out. So we're gonna go over that, go over the chart pattern, and just dig right into it a little bit and to see what's gonna happen in the near future. But before I do that, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market, anything stock market, finance, mindset related. It's what I do. I love to go through this information and share with anybody willing to listen. So that being said, man, let's just get right into it. As we see right here, Wuhan Wanning NIO's battery asset management joint venture receives capital increase. Yeah, you know money, man. 4 months after its establishment, Wuhan Wanning NIO's battery asset management joint venture has received its first capital increase. I hope I didn't butcher that name, man, because I don't speak Chinese. I really don't know how to pronounce that correctly. Shandong Winda Machinery Co. announced Tuesday evening that its plans to sign a capital increase subscription agreement with investors, including NIO. I don't want to butcher that name neither. Securities in China's large automotive lithium-ion battery maker CATL, and will inject 150 million yuan to acquire 8.88% of Wuhan Wang's equity. The NIO-led battery asset management company, Wuhan Wang Battery Asset Co., was established on August 18th. It is still in its early stages of establishment and has not yet formally launched its business activities. NIO sets up a battery asset company. CATL has taken a stake. The NIO-led battery asset management company has been established. Okay, we already established that. Its business scope includes power battery leasing, repair, wholesale and retail, recycling of used batteries, research and development, productions, wholesale and sales, leasing and operations management of equipment and components related to switching stations, charging piles, and energy storage systems. So, just another catalyst, man, to propel NIO where they continue to move in this bullish direction. And we're finally starting to see it pick up after we had that whole delisting news and just a whole bunch of consolidation going on. Let's just get up in the chart pattern real quick. As you can see here, day 3, we're not finally starting to have that gradual climb again. I'm loving this action. I'm loving it. Again, I purchased more shares of NIO. Because of it finally starting to pick up, because I like to be involved. I like moving my capital around. I did have an investment stake in NIO, which I maintained. And then I've also purchased shares for swing trading and day trading in NIO as well. And now that it's starting to pick up, I repurchased shares yesterday. And so now I'm seeing a growth in that. I believe I purchased NIO at 42 yesterday, and now we're going towards 45. And then also, if you look into the dailies, I believe once it cracks this high of 48.50 is when we're going to finally see that big push again. And then once we crack that 54 mark, we're going to see that breakthrough of the highs here. But again, I remember in pre-market, really the high is 58.81, even though this high says 57.20. Pre-market, it got up to 58.81. So I see it making new highs coming soon. Potentially, if not towards the end of this month, then sometime in the beginning to mid-January, finally getting that break over that 58 mark that we all been waiting for. Because this company is still completely undervalued, and this company has a lot of growth to do. And when you look at the year over year and quarter over quarter, when you're looking into their revenues and their growth, they are truly amazing. This company is a guaranteed home run, slam dunk, all of the above, touchdown. I mean, everything about this company for the long term is amazing. And so, I maintained my investment and then added some more shares into it yesterday. And it's seeming like a good time because we did get into this consolidation phase, which would have been a good time, especially when that offering came out at $39 a share. It wouldn't have been an amazing time to, purchase some more. But because of still the uncertainty and the slowness of what was going on, in the short term, it was a potential for me to buy there too, but again, we weren't really seeing much buying action. We were seeing a lot more selling. So even though it came out at 39, it still could have potentially dipped some more, which is why I didn't buy at that time. I purchased more shares when I finally see it solidify this action. So after it had this day and then finally maintaining basically the same exact pattern as the previous day, that's when I decided to purchase. And then we're seeing pretty much that same action going on today. So, man, NIO, extremely bullish on NIO. More catalysts to propel NIO to the top, man. And we're only going to have more catalysts to come. We got NIO Day coming on January 9th, I believe. And that's when they're going to bring out their new sedan model, which everybody already knows about. But this company just continues to go head over heels, to skyrocket and propel them to the top of the EV market. And I very much see them at the top of the EV market in China and potentially worldwide. I'll keep you updated on that Marco Polo project in Europe and potentially them coming to the US, and especially with Biden now, the news we talked about in the previous video of Brian Deese from BlackRock, and them owning 53 million shares of NIO. That could potentially be an incentive to get NIO into the U.S. market as well. So again, man, just some more great news on NIO. We're finally starting to see that pickup action of multiple green days in a row, which is what I've been waiting for, to repurchase more shares. And it seemed to be a great time to buy. NIO is still at a great price to purchase. Me personally, I believe this is still an amazing price to purchase. We have a very long way to go with NIO. This thing could very well hit into the $100 ranges, next year, and potentially the $1,000 ranges, in the long term, in the next 5 years to potentially 10 years. So just want to do a quick update on another catalyst for NIO to propel the stock, and then also go over just a quick review of what I'm seeing in the charts. And obviously, we're having this gradual climb for the last 3 days, and I believe once it breaks out of that $48 range, we'll be well on our way to breaking new highs again. So NIO, extremely bullish on NIO still. Leave a comment. Let me know your thought process on it. Let me know what you're doing with it. Are you still bullish with it? Do you think it's a good time to buy? Let me know if you think the share price right now is a good purchase. It is very much appreciated. Everybody leaving comments, it's very much appreciated. I enjoy reading all of them and, communicating with everybody that's watching. Again, if you watch this far, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place for you to do that. So, more bullish news on NIO. Still bullish on NIO. NIO to the moon. I believe this company is so legit. You just can't go wrong with it, man. So that's going to be it for NIO, guys. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.